Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel, Lexquisite Life, where we learn to live our lives Lexquisitely, one plan at a time, as we're knocking everything over. Y'all, what is my life? Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel, Lexquisite Life, where we learn to live our lives exquisitely, one plan at a time. Today we are going to go ahead and hop into our wellness planner for Monday the 27th through the 2nd of July. Oh my gosh, if I can get the pages out. Go ahead and pop that off to the side. So, this was part of last week. We're still working on that one. And today we are going to be pulling stickers out of our fitness and healthy hero books. And today I kind of went for a monochromatic type spread. I guess that's what it's called when you only use like one color. So I chose a lot of oranges and golds. Basically because this week is my mom's, not this week. I was thinking that August is coming up and August has my mom's birthday and my brother's birthday. So my mom loves the color orange. That is her fave color of all time. Why? I don't know. Don't ask me all that. Don't get me to lying. But she loves her some orange. So, boom. I'm going to go ahead and start by putting, oh, why did I do that? It's about to roll up on me again. This week banner across the sidebar. And mainly I want to cover up this green because it's throwing off my feng shui. Yeah, it's on there now. I'm not about to try to do a whole bunch to try to fix it. It's just there. Okay. So we got that. And then I'm trying to do like all the easy parts first because I pulled a lot of decorative stickers and I don't quite know where I'm going to put them yet. So I'm going to go ahead and put down our meal trackers. I think that's what these are called. Or at least that's what I'm calling them today. I always forget that I have to cut these off. Okay. Let me do this upside down. The life and style of being a lefty. Okay. And I'm still participating in the 75 hard. I'm just having to modify it, so I'm just gonna quit calling it 75 hard. Well, no, I'm gonna call it 75 hard because that's what it is. But being that I went to the doctor last Friday, she gave me some tips, tricks, comments, and concerns. She doesn't really want me to go hard trying to do the different workouts that I was trying. She doesn't want me to do yoga for right now. She says that's too much on me with my PCOS, how it can affect my breathing and my core and stuff. And I need to get my core built back up before I can start doing that, which is something I kind of figured out after that first day of being incredibly sore. But, so I have to focus more on weightlifting and walking, which is fine. It just kind of, I let it kind of damper my spirits this weekend, so I didn't follow the 75 hard to the T. But like I said, I'm modifying it. I can't, physically, I can't go as hard as some people who are doing it. So, what I'm telling myself is as long as I get some kind of workout in a day, I'm doing all right. But for the rest of it, I'm still following the eating plan. I'm still following the drinking water as much as I can right now. Like I said, I fell off. So it's like I'm pretty much starting from scratch, but I'm not counting the days anymore. It's not about 75 days and going hard and seeing how much I can lose in the 75 days. It's more or less changing my lifestyle, eating healthy, and just becoming a healthy overall individual, not just trying to do a challenge. Because I think for a while that caused me to lose sight of what the intent of all of this was. So just gonna white out this intention. And I don't pay attention to that take note anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and put my Fitbit down. Probably should have whited out this whole thing, huh? Or would a jelly roll girl go? I'll just jelly roll it. Jelly ain't gonna cover it all, but at least you'll lighten it up. Okay. Alright. There's that. So yeah, so all the colors I pulled are pretty much like oranges and yellows and all of that just, okay, let me see. Let's start with, I'm gonna start here with this because this is something that I do wanna make sure I do. So I'll put that on Monday. Check in with myself, see how I'm feeling, what my body is saying. I pulled this gold sticker, but I don't even know. That works. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this Cardio and Confidence. Today is definitely one of those days where like we're just putting stickers on the page and we're letting it do what it do. We're not going to think too hard on it. We're just letting it go. I'm going to hit it with a sweat it out over here. Thursdays is usually when it gets rough, so we're going to put a focus on you. Take more standing breaks because that's something I used to do, but I don't. I got this rest day sticker, but if you want me to be honest, like, I kind of rest on both of these days. So, one thing I am going to do is I'm going to, these little words are just bothering me. Usually they don't, so I don't know what that was all about. But, I've decided I am going to go to the gym every other day. I wanted to start that this week, but I got off to a bad start this week. I was just being lazy. And there we are. We have all our stickers out on our spread. It's simple, but it's going to do the job because, girl, we don't have time to be playing with our health no more. Like, I got a good report from my doctor other than me pushing my body too hard. And that's why my body started to react the way it acted last Thursday. So I'm saying this was like, last Thursday was what, the child? It was one of them teens, the 18th or 19th. And because I'm filming this on Wednesday the 22nd, so the 18th or the 19th, my body, and more specifically my hips and my knees, were on fire. So my goal is this upcoming week. This week she told me to rest as much as possible and just walk. So this upcoming week, my goal is to go to the gym Tuesday, Thursdays, and Saturday. And then Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday, I'm going to do my run walk. So that way, to me, that's me knocking out 2 exercises at once. But every day I'm going to walk, period. From this point forward, every day I'm going to go out and walk. As long as weather permits, because with my nephew being here, I cannot go. Like today, it was storming. I can't go jogging or running while it's storming outside with him because he's already gotten sick. He's been sick all week, which is also affecting my workout schedule because I gotta tend to my baby. But if you enjoyed this video and my blabbering, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye now.